Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another review. Today, we're checking out Kraken, one of the more popular cryptocurrency exchanges. While it may not be as popular as some others like Binance and Coinbase, Kraken certainly has its flaws and advantages. We'll delve into what makes Kraken unique. Introduction to Kraken. Kraken is a renowned cryptocurrency exchange platform, founded in 2011 by Jesse Powell. From its humble beginnings in San Francisco, Kraken has grown into one of the most trusted and established exchanges in the industry. Objective analysis. In a world where subjective opinions often dominate, it's crucial to ground our understanding of Kraken in objective analysis. Kraken, established in 2011, has emerged as a stalwart in the cryptocurrency exchange realm. Unlike many of its competitors, Kraken boasts a flawless security record, never having been hacked since its inception. This unparalleled commitment to security positions Kraken as a trustworthy custodian of users' assets. Security and trustworthiness. Kraken stands out for its impeccable security record. Unlike many other exchanges, Kraken has never been hacked. We'll explore why security is paramount in choosing a cryptocurrency platform and how Kraken excels in this aspect. Regulatory compliance and staking services. Regulatory compliance ensures that Kraken operates within legal frameworks, meeting requirements set by regulatory authorities. Staking services involve users contributing cryptocurrencies to support the network's operations and, in return, earning rewards. These services help ensure Kraken's adherence to regulations while providing opportunities for users to participate in network maintenance and earn rewards. Fee structure and supported cryptocurrencies. Kraken's fee structure includes various charges for trading, funding, and other services. Here's a brief overview. Trading fees. Spot trading fees, based on a maker-taker model. Maker fees, generally lower, starting at 0.16% and decreasing with higher trading volumes. Taker fees start at 0.26% and also decrease with higher trading volumes. Margin trading fees incur interest and rollover fees. Funding fees, deposit fees, vary by method and currency. Some deposits are free, while others have a fixed or percentage-based fee. Withdrawal fees also vary by method and currency, typically a fixed fee. Kraken futures fees. Maker fees start at 0.02%. Taker fees start at 0.05%. Staking fees. Kraken charges a fee on staking rewards, which varies by cryptocurrency. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, user experience and accessibility. Kraken offers a user-friendly experience and is accessible in over 190 countries. We'll explore Kraken's interface, usability, and international availability. Additionally, we'll discuss the ease of depositing funds, particularly in USD, for users in the United States. Reputation and controversies. Kraken is known for being one of the earliest and largest cryptocurrency exchanges, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features. Kraken has faced several legal challenges, including fines from the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) for offering illegal off-exchange trading and failing to register as required. Conclusion. As we draw the curtain on our exploration of Kraken, it becomes evident that this cryptocurrency exchange stands as a pillar of reliability, security, and innovation in the digital asset landscape. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive review of Kraken. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in future videos.